Okay, here we are back inside MatrixGold. As I said, I was going to try and make a video on how to show how to make a six-prong peg or solitaire head in MatrixGold so that you can use it as a parametric. It's not really considered maybe parametric, but you'll be able to use it with other stones and it'll adjust accordingly. So the first thing we're going to do is get out a gem, and I'm just going to leave it at that size. And then the next thing, of course, is we're going to actually put a bezel around it. So you want to go to settings and then bezel. And it's taking some time here, or it's froze up, one of the two. Oh, there we go. All right, and now let's just go to the right view because we'll need to make some adjustments to the bezel because the peg head will definitely not be that short. Actually, let's go back to perspective. And I'm going to go ahead and so I can see it a little bit clearer for right now. And, well, go to the front view. Sorry. And I'm going to drag it down to about, I don't know, 6.5, something like that. 6.7 millimeter, yeah, that's fine. And then what I'm going to do is do a little offset here to around a 9.9. And then here, I'm going to drag that in a little bit, but first I want to go over and edit my profile. So I'm going to take this and then kind of bend it out a little bit, and I'm just going to hit check so we got a little bit more curve in there. And the angle, we're going to drag it in quite a bit, and we don't need it, maybe not that much. Let's see here. Make some I'll do these in the dynamic command area. It might be a little bit easier for everyone to see what I'm doing. Now they may not be exactly the same, but at least you'll get an idea. We're going to take the count girdle offset and leave it at 0. The inside width, let's see, let's position count inside width. Oh, okay, well, just going to set our bezel up for right now. I wonder what that is. 0.8, so that's 1/6. We'll just leave it there. We'll just go ahead and accept that. The main thing is this and a little offset round, and accept that. Let's take a look at it. Okay, I could probably drag that in a little bit more, but let's just see how it works with this. But it'll give you the idea. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to cutters, and we're going to go to scallop cutters. Now there's a lot you can do with this, and I'll make a later video, but I'm sure this is probably what you want to know the most for right now. Okay, so here we have our cutters. We'll just leave them at that for right now, or that profile rather. And we'll change some of these settings up. We'll leave it at 0. We'll keep that at 3. We'll keep that at 3. We'll change the outside width. Outside width to, let's see, 1.65 and hit enter. And we'll outside height we'll leave at 4. Length we'll take it to a 9.2. Okay, angle, the angle we're going to adjust to, believe it or not, we're going to adjust to a -90. Okay, and then we'll leave our X offset at 0. Our Y offset, we'll take it to a, let's see, 0.44. And our X offset, we'll take it to a 0.49 and hit enter. Okay. And we'll leave the rotation to 0. Let's take a look at this. Okay. So here we have it. Yeah, looks okay maybe. Let's go ahead and check it out. And from here what we'll do is we'll just hit enter, and then we'll go to our solids menu, Boolean difference, select our first surface. We'll want to take our bezel, hit enter, and then we'll take our cutters and hit enter. And there we have our head. That's not too bad. Looks pretty good. And what you want to do from here is you want to, we'll enter, you want to go ahead and actually save this. Save it in a job bag for right now, and I'll get to the other later. Okay, there we go. So there we have our stone. So we'll just take that and we'll just drag it over here for now. And now, if I have a ring up here and I want to put a solitaire 6-prong head on it, I just go to my gem, get it to my size. Let's say it's 1/4 carat, around a 4 millimeter, and press enter. Okay, from here what we want to do now is go to the gem menu, which we already are, and we want to orient. We want to orient to gem. Okay, so select our base gem, select our object, hit enter, and then take it over to our target object, the stone we want to apply it to, and hit enter. And now we have the head in with the stone, and it's dynamic. You can make it bigger. Oh, sorry, not the bezel. Let's abort that. Oop, we'll do it again. I must have missed something there. Okay, so we'll go to oriented gem. We'll take our gem, take our surface that we want to orient, push enter, target gem, enter, and then enter. Okay, there we go. Now if I go to my gem, I can go back to the edit the gem and adjust the size, and everything moves with the design. I can take it down a little, gem depth. Oh, okay, well, same thing. But now it's totally parametric, and you're able to use it with any. So basically, it's not really saving it or anything as far as the normal dynamic command, but yet you can use it anytime you want to. And I'll take that and put it in my head library, or save it to my collections. But there you go. Simple and dirty.